Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to tackle hair loss and encourage thicker, fuller hair. So if you're struggling with thinning hair or receding hairlines, this one might pique your interest. It's the laser comb featuring red light therapy for hair growth, specifically designed for both men and women. Let's take a look at whether this claims to be a medical-grade hair loss treatment lives up to its promises. The NBWTYA laser comb uses advanced low-level light therapy, LLLT technology, to stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. It comes with 655 nanometer lasers, more effective than 650 nanometer lasers or LEDs, which are supposed to penetrate 3 to 5 millimeters into your scalp. This deeper penetration aims to improve blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging nutrient delivery to dormant follicles, which helps in regrowing thicker and stronger hair. The device is compact and portable, making it convenient for at-home treatments. Simply use it 3 times a week for 10 minutes each session to see results. In my testing, using the laser comb was fairly easy. The design is lightweight, making it comfortable to hold for the duration of the treatment. The comb's gentle massaging action, paired with the laser light, felt soothing on the scalp, which is a definite plus. In terms of practicality, it's easy to incorporate into a routine. Just 10 minutes every few days isn't too demanding. Now, about its effectiveness. This device claims that after consistent use, you should begin seeing results after 4 to 6 months, including a decrease in hair shedding and the appearance of new fine hairs. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and while I can't claim to have seen peach fuzz growth yet, I do notice less hair fall when brushing. It's still early to draw definitive conclusions, but I'll be tracking the progress. On the plus side, I appreciate the clinically proven red light therapy feature and the laser's deeper penetration, which theoretically gives it an edge over similar products. The fact that it's also portable makes it great for people who are always on the go. However, there are a few things to consider. First, it's not the most budget-friendly solution for hair loss. The price point might feel a bit steep if you're expecting immediate results or want a quicker fix. And while the claim of thicker and fuller hair is compelling, users will have to commit to regular sessions for several months to really notice those changes. Patience is key with this one. As far as value for money, the laser comb is on the pricier side, especially when compared to other non-invasive hair loss treatments. But for those willing to invest, it may provide worthwhile results if you have the time to commit to the treatment schedule. When compared to other devices in this category, the 655 nanometer laser puts it at an advantage, as many similar combs use LEDs, which may not penetrate the scalp as deeply. That said, it's still important to factor in the cost of ongoing use. The build quality seems solid. The comb is lightweight yet feels sturdy, and while there's no significant evidence yet of long-term durability from my testing, the 6-month guarantee is reassuring. If you encounter issues, the brand offers solid customer support with reps who are experienced in hair loss solutions and even have personal experience with the product. So, is this laser comb the right option for you? If you're dealing with early to mid-stage hair loss and are committed to a consistent treatment plan, it may be worth considering. Just keep in mind that results take time, and there may be more affordable alternatives if you're not ready to invest heavily upfront. If this review has helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so others can also benefit from this information. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've tried this laser comb or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You can also find the link to the product in the description box. Until next time, stay fabulous with Beautyistic, where beauty meets practicality.